This is lesson 4 for your Year 8 e-safety. What I want you to do is go to your student workbook, scroll down to lesson 4 and find page 26. What you then need to do is move the cross or the ticks next to each of the statements to decide whether you think it is true or whether it's false. Pause the video and complete this task now. Now you should have completed this task. Let's check if you've got them right and fix your errors if you've got them wrong. A computer captures a virus from a person. Well, that's false. Malware is the term given to malicious software. Well, that's true. Your computer can catch a virus from downloading software. Well, that's true. A hacker is not always bad. Well, that's true as well. You can get penetration testers who are people who check systems, so they're not always bad. Don't trust everything online. That's true. People can steal your data online. Well, that's true as well. A digital footprint is the trail you leave offline, and that's true. And all hackers are kids. Well, that's false. Now, I want you to have a look at these images. What do you think they all have in common? Pause the video and try and figure it out. Okay, but there are a few hints on here. They've all got logos on them. So we've got a signature. We've got the website of the company who has made this picture, so The Guardian. This one's got who was owned by it with a C in a bracket, and this one says copyright, and the elephant has got lines through it with a watermark. These images are all copyrighted, and you can see copyright has a C in a symbol next to it. So today we are looking at copyright, and these are the key questions you need to be able to answer by the end of today's lesson. What is copyright? How does copyright affect our online activity? And what are the consequences of breaking the copyright laws? So first of all, there is a YouTube video for you to watch. You're going to have to go onto Google Classroom, look for the lesson PowerPoints, choose lesson 4, and click the link in the PowerPoint to watch the video. While you're watching the video, please remember the key questions. What is copyright? How does it affect our online activity? And what are the consequences of breaking the law? Please pause the video and watch the video with the link. Okay, so the task that you are going to have to complete. This is it. You're going to have to explain what is copyright, how do you know what materials are copyrighted, and what are the consequences of breaking the copyright laws. You're going to make a poster, and you can do this directly into Google Slides. I'm expecting you to have placeholders for the basic presentations, colour schemes, titles, which are bold and underline. I'm also expecting you to have images which are appropriate, not pixelated, and consider your layout. But for the best posters, we're expecting consistency, consistent styles, fonts, formulas if you need them, and a professional finish. Please go to slide number 27 in your workbooks. This is where you're going to make your poster. You might find there's something already on here. Now, to add text, if you click on the text box and drag the text box, you can start to make text in your posters. Highlight it, and the colour of it is at the top over here, and the size of it, the fonts, and where you can make it bold, italic or underline if you want to. You can move it around just like in a normal poster. Now, there's an easy way to add images. Click on the image icon and click Search the Web. You can use the search bar on the right hand side to search for images rather than going and copying and pasting them and just dragging them in. You can make them bigger and smaller, and this will mean transparency is better, and it makes and saves you a lot of time. So think about what information you need, and remember the questions are these questions. Pause the video and try and make that poster.